Here we have a brass Ace Hardware brand padlock. The brass shackle. It was pretty gunked up when I got it. There's no key. I've cleaned it up some. I have picked it already. Let's see if I can get it again.
Military or that glove with zippers or wild, crazy hair, but always with the glove.
Both of them were certainly hyper-aware of their image and what they were presenting. And in a sense, you could call these things uniforms.
The two kings also revolutionized music on TV. Michael virtually set MTV on fire in the 80s with his music videos. He even forayed into movies with Wiz, but it was Elvis, with his countless TV appearances and his movie career, that paved the way.
Elvis being seen on TV, it made pop music and rock and roll music in particular a viable thing to television.
And then he made another transition. He made 31 movies. They were highly successful in the marketplace, but the critics hated them.
Michael Jackson.
Here it is.
And he was also at the right place at the right time. He was able to take advantage of a world where television was now ubiquitous, where you had a cable channel.
Here's another little lock that I got today.
Just to music. He took sort of the seeds.
It's an American.
Started and spread them all over.
And this thing is a pretty cool little lock. It's got the little square head key for it too, but the key that I got doesn't work for this little lock. So there's no key for this lock, but it's still cool. Peace out.